Hey, what's up guys? This is FAQ Friday. I am Cameron Moore.
This is Alex.
So we're actually on the lot today because we had a great question. And the question was, if I wanted to create a video blog post doing a walk around of a vehicle, first, how would I do it? Second, what apps could I use to edit it? And third, what would I even post in the blog? So today we're going to show you exactly how to do that, and then we'll give you an example on how not to do that. So here we go. Hey everyone, this is Cameron Moore here at Homer Skelton Autoplex, and today we're going to check out a 2009 BMW 335i. So 335i is an inline 6, and also the BMW 3 Series is the benchmark car for BMW. Let's check it out. You can see it has power windows and power locks. You have the memory seat settings right here. It is leather. You have the moonroof. So for all the good hot summer days, you can go ahead and open that up. You can see back here, here's the back seat. You do have vents right there, so if you have little ones, they're going to be cooled down. The trunk space. It looks like you could fit probably at least 4 to 5 awesome size bags in there for all your trips you're going to take. The BMWs are run flats, and the reason why is because BMWs are designed to run on run flats because a BMW is 50-50 balance from front to rear, and when you go into a corner, the BMW actually squats rather than leans. It's phenomenal. I can't wait to show you how that works. If you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, please let me know. My number is 817-682-5566, and I'll talk to you soon.
Hey, this is Alex. We're here at the dealership. Let me show you this car. This is her right here. She, oh, there it is. Yep, there's a big old trunk. She's blue, right on our lot. Very, fast. BMWs are cool. Inside, you can just drive it around. Ow, it's hot. Yeah, here. Come get inside. This is what it looks like. Beautiful car. Just let me know if you want it. I'm here for you, you know. That's all I got.
So what app can you use to edit the video? If you have an iPhone, you can use iMovie. iMovie is free on all Apple products. So find the iMovie icon and then select iMovie. Once it opens, you can press the plus button to create a new project. Click on Movie. Then you select the videos that you want to use to create your movie. Then at the bottom, press Create Movie. As you can see below, you have the timeline, and you can make any clip shorter, longer, slower, faster. You can also add text to the video. So press the T, and then you can choose a certain font that you want. You can also put it in the lower or keep it centered. Now that you have made the video using iMovie, or if you're on an Android device, you can use any free video editing software. You want to come to your toolkit, so you can go to www.buildabrand.com, click on the login in the top right hand corner, sign into your credentials, and then now you are on your toolkit. So on the first page of your icons you have new blog post. So we want to select new blog post, then we want to select create your own. Now you want to add a video. So you want to upload straight to Buildabrand. You can select record/upload and upload that way. If you use YouTube and you've already uploaded the video to YouTube, you can select from your YouTube channel. We're going to go ahead and select a video from my YouTube channel. And we're just going to choose a random one right here and press use this video. Now the most important thing that you want to do first is change the video title. So you want to change the video title to something that's very catchy, something that someone may type into Google, right? So right here I have 2000 BMW 335i available for sale in Olive Branch, Mississippi. Now I want to select the vehicle from my inventory. So I'm going to click BMW, and now I find the BMW right down here. I select that to use for this blog. Now it's time that you give it a great body. So to give it a great body, you want to say almost everything you've said in the video, but a little bit more detail, right? This is giving you some credibility. If you'd like to add a hyperlink, then you can, press this right here to add a hyperlink. You just paste a URL, and once you've chose the word, and then it will hyperlink this. And what this does for you is gives you credibility for your website and your blog, because you're linking back to a credible website such as Homer Skelton Autoplex. So now I want to press next. Now I have my awesome video I made, and then I come down here and I want to press publish to blog. So when I publish to blog, it'll give me the opportunity to share on my social media accounts. So I can go ahead and click the social media account that I want to share it on. And if you already have your hashtags in here, you can press copy before doing that, and then press Facebook and share. So now that I'm on Facebook, I want to give it a catchy title, such as check out this awesome 2011 BMW 335i video. You're going to love this. And then you'll paste your hashtags, and then you press publish to Facebook. So that is how you can do a awesome video walk around blog, and then use the video editing software to edit your video. You upload it here. You create a phenomenal blog by using the word tracks you used during your video, and then you upload it to your social media accounts. And you want to make sure that this title is slightly different from the same title that's right there. You want to say the same thing, but it's a little different. So that is it for FAQ Friday. And again, I am Cameron Moore, and that was Alex. If you guys have any questions, you can go to your third slide of icons on your toolkit and click Contact Support. Put your question, comment, or concern there, and we'll get to you as soon as possible. Thank you, and we'll see you next time.